Hello, this is the Algol Plus team, and our regular column, the Q&A about Algol Plus plugins. In this video, we will answer 3 questions about our plugins. Advanced Order Export. I don't see export orders in menu WooCommerce after installing the plugin. What should I do? The plugin requires capability View WooCommerce Doc Reports. Please check permissions for current user. Advanced Dynamic Pricing. Does your pricing plugin allow for customer-specific pricing? Yes, our plugin allows for customer-specific pricing. You need to create a blank rule. Then add the conditions section. Select User and choose one of them. I would like to draw your attention that User feature is available in the Pro version of the plugin. Then add the Product Discount section. Input a discount there. Phone orders. What do I need to do for my user to see the customers? You must add capability Edit Shop Orders Terms to his role. Open Capabilities tab, then click Capabilities. Select a role. Click WooCommerce tab. Find Edit Shop Orders Terms. Check the box. There was the Algol Plus team.